Every home is different. That's what makes them special. And that's why we've designed Roomba with an advanced system of software and sensors to help it adapt to your unique environment. Roomba comes complete with cleaning and convenience features to make sure you get the best vacuuming performance possible. You can further customize your cleaning experience by using the cleaning settings in the iRobot Home app. Here are a few quick tips to make your home even more robot-friendly. When you set up your home-based charging station, be sure to place it along a wall in an open, uncluttered area away from stairs. If there are areas in your home that you don't want Roomba to clean, you can use a virtual wall. The virtual wall keeps Roomba in the spots you want to clean and out of the ones you don't, creating an invisible cone-shaped barrier up to 10 feet long that only the robot can see. For homes with pets, the virtual wall can also be used as a halo, creating a 26-inch circular protective zone around food and water bowls. Halo mode also works great for corners or other objects that you don't want Roomba to approach. If you want Roomba to be free to clean all over, please be sure to keep doors open so Roomba can pass through easily. Roomba is designed to clean in the real world with real clutter. The robot has clutter navigation built right in. But to give Roomba a head start, please take a moment and see if there's anything in the robot's way that you could move for a better clean. And while it's best to keep cords safely tucked away, Roomba has anti-tangle technology that keeps it from getting stuck on cords, carpet fringe, and tassels. These few things will go a long way to help Roomba clean your home just as you'd like it. And remember, Roomba can be scheduled to clean easily from the iRobot Home app up to 7 times per week, even when you're not home. You can do what you need to do, and Roomba will do the vacuuming for you.